Here the EW11 three-wheel sports scooter. So this is the way it would come to you. Again, it's the EW11 sport three-wheel scooter, and it comes in a huge box, but don't let the size of the box scare you because it's fully assembled inside the box. So what I usually do is I have a box cutter here, so I will cut the straps on the box. Then the cover will come off. The next thing you'll do, as you can see, this is just sitting on here like this, okay? So you can actually just do that. And if you have a box cutter, you can cut all those boxes in little pieces. So here we have the scooter on a pallet, already put together. So I'm just going to cut the plastic here. So if you cut the plastic with a knife like this, make sure you don't touch the seat. Make sure you don't cut your hands. So, pretty easy so far. Okay. All your accessories are in the basket up front. So, it does say in here, key in the bag. So in this one, it says key in the bag. So I would open that bag up. That's the bag with the charger. As you can see, the charger's here. And as you can see, the keys are right here. And you have two sets of keys. I'm going to put the charger back in the box here. I'm going to take the keys. You have two sets of keys. You only need one. I'm going to put the key in the ignition. Turn it on. Okay, so most likely the batteries are not connected. So it says right here on the seat, turn circuit breaker on. It tells you right on the sheet right here. So now so far you got it out of the box, and you're sitting here and you have your keys right here. So you have to turn the power on. The battery circuit board has to be turned on. It's inside the seat. So to have the seat come up, you have to put the key in and turn it left and hold it, and the seat will come up. You can hear it. Okay? So you don't push the key in, you just put it in, turn it left and hold it, and the seat will pop up. And you go inside your seat, your luggage compartment, and you have your circuit board. There you go. You can hear the power's on. Shut the seat back down. Take this paper off. All right, so now we're going to turn the key in the on position. First, before you go out, the brakes are on. This is a manual brake, so you need to squeeze it and release it, okay? Squeeze it, release it, because now your scooter was in park. It had the actual parking brake on. So release the brake, turn your key on, and then you have your throttle here, and you'll be able to move forward. But before you move forward, you will have to break this little piece of wood right here off that sits in front of the wheel. Okay, just be careful. There's a nail in here. There's also a couple nails here. So take this little piece of wood off. Then I think we can get the scooter to come off pretty easily. There we go. So now we've got the scooter off the thing. The next thing I'm going to show you, I already unwrapped these. You have two mirrors that come with the scooter. And I don't need to show you how that works. It's pretty simple. The mirrors will mount right here. Okay, you have an adjustable screw here, and they turn in here. Sometimes you have to have a little more dexterity. There we go. So you would think the mirrors would be the easiest thing to do, you know? All right, so because it's probably the first time. So the mirrors mount there. You also have a cup holder, a phone holder. So you'll get a phone holder with this. As you can see, this is a phone holder, and the phone holder will mount at the bottom of the other mirror. Okay, so your phone holder will clip before you put the mirror in. Put your phone holder, put the mirror in, and then you'll have your phone holder right here sitting on your throttle pod. Okay, so this is the EW11 sports scooter, very sharp looking scooter. It's a retro, it looks like the scooters from the 50s they had in Italy. So it's a really sharp looking scooter. This is the EW11 by Ewheels. It comes fully assembled, and this is how you take it out of the box.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.